Hello, I'm Dr. Harrison Wright, a specialist in geriatric health, and today, I want you to do something very simple but revealing. Pinch the skin around your waist or your belly right now. You can probably grab that little roll of fat you have there. Well, I need you to understand that this fat is not just sitting still. It is a biological factory firing inflammation against your arteries 24 hours a day. Just like my patient Johanna discovered, before you can reverse this, you have to stop dieting and start shielding your system with a very specific protocol. It involves a mixture of beets, oats, and 3 other vital ingredients that act as a master key to unlock your arteries. But before I give you the exact list, I need you to erase a lie from your head. You've been told that your arteries are like PVC pipes that get clogged with dirt, and that you need a drain cleaner or a detox juice to clean them. That is false, and it is dangerous. Your artery is not a dead pipe. It is lined with a microscopic living forest called the glycocalyx. These are millions of tiny hairs that detect blood flow. When this forest is lush, fat simply slips by and continues its journey without sticking. But stress, sugar, and high blood pressure act like a chainsaw, cutting down your forest. The science is clear. You don't have dirty arteries. You have a bald and wounded endothelium. That's why this breakfast protocol I'm teaching you today isn't designed to just taste good. It's designed for biological reconstruction. We are going to give your body the exact bricks it needs to regrow its natural protection. Before we dive into the ingredients, I want to see who is ready to commit to their heart. Go to the comments right now and write, "Doctor, I accept the challenge." By writing this, you are giving your brain a clear order to follow through with this restoration. Pause. To achieve this reforestation, our bowl must activate 3 simultaneous mechanisms. We need hydraulic dilation to open the arteries, a chemical shield to varnish your cholesterol, and a border closure to stop new toxins from entering. Most people eat bread and jam for breakfast, which is like pouring gasoline on a fire. We are going to send in the firefighters instead. We begin with the red base of the system, the beet. We aren't choosing it for its vitamins, but for a single molecular reason: organic nitrates. As you age, your body cannot produce enough nitric oxide, which is the gas that dilates your arteries. Beets are nature's densest gold mine for this raw material. When you eat them, bacteria in your mouth transform these nitrates into a gas that relaxes your arteries, turning a narrow, tense alleyway into a 4-lane highway. But here is a $1 million tip. If you use antiseptic mouthwash right before breakfast, you kill the effect because you destroy the good bacteria needed for this conversion. So, keep your mouth's microbiome intact. When buying beets, look for the vacuum-packed, steamed ones in the refrigerated section. Avoid the ones in vinegar or sugar, as they are just desserts, not medicine. Once we have opened the flow with beets, we face a new problem. The cholesterol traveling in your blood is highly flammable. If it oxidizes, it sticks. This is where we bring in our liquid shield, extra virgin olive oil. But be careful, because 80% of supermarket oil is refined trash. You need the polyphenols found in real oil to act as a varnish for your cholesterol. Even if there are sparks of stress in your body, varnished cholesterol won't ignite into arterial plaque. Look for dark glass bottles and the words "cold pressed." If you take a spoonful and feel a peppery sting in the back of your throat, that's the oleocanthal working, the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory. Don't cook with it. Add it raw at the end to keep the firefighters alive. As we protect the flow, we also need to dissolve the glue already on your walls. And for that, we call in the red cleaner, concentrated tomato paste. Most people think raw tomatoes are enough, but for your arteries, raw tomatoes are almost useless. You need lycopene, which is locked inside a crystalline vault in the tomato. To open it, you need heat and fat. By using concentrated tomato paste and mixing it with our olive oil, we create a nuclear weapon against arterial plaques. Look for a simple tube of double concentrated paste with no added sugar or soy oil. Just 2 tablespoons mixed into your warm beet bowl will start the cleaning process. While we repair the house from the inside, we must also close the back door so no more trash enters. This is the job of our elite border guard: 50 grams of whole grain oats and 30 grams of walnuts. These contain phytosterols and beta-glucans that literally take the seats away from bad cholesterol in your intestines, forcing it out of your body before it ever reaches your blood. Make sure your oats are old-fashioned or steel-cut, not the instant sugary packets. And for the walnuts, keep them in the fridge to protect their delicate omega-3s from going rancid. If they taste metallic, throw them away. They should be sweet and creamy. I know what you are thinking. This doesn't sound like a fruit cereal. It's a dense, earthy, and savory breakfast. But after eating this, you will feel a stable energy and a sense of fullness that lasts for hours. You don't need to do this every day. 4 times a week is enough to see results. This is bioengineering for your longevity. If you want to take it to the next level, squeeze half a lemon over the bowl at the end. The vitamin C will improve nitrate absorption by 15% and cut through the earthy taste of the beet, making it much more refreshing. Now your arteries are starting to breathe. The flow is open. But remember that factory of inflammation at your waist we talked about? To shut that down, you need to attack visceral fat from another angle. I want you to watch my next video where I explain the 7 easy keys to eliminating abdominal fat without doing anything crazy. It's the perfect complement to what you just learned. Go ahead and leave that comment now. Doctor, I accept the challenge. I am Dr. Harrison Wright, and it has been a pleasure talking with you. I'll see you in the next video.